What's up, y'all?
Speech off.
Hey, I just doing a little quick video. Kids out here flying the helicopter, so you know what it is, Gilz Gang. Before we get started into this, like, share, subscribe. You already know what it is, Gilz Gang. You know what I mean, King Gilz. They got these helicopters Christmas Day hype. You couldn't wait to get out here and fly these joints. Them joints be flying high though.
Hold it yourself, Zon.
It keep hitting me.
You gotta hold it by the wheels. Hold it at the bottom by the
Hold it in
wheels.
your hand first and then cut it on like major.
Hold it by the wheels and then that way it won't hit the blades won't hit your hand.
Go ahead.
There it is. Oh, wait.
Wait.
All right, go ahead, major.
That's better.
All right. Hold it in your hand. Let that joint fly.
Let go.
You gotta hold it and just let it go. You hold it and it flies to the ground.
You gotta hold it up. And then when you let it go, you gotta start steering it. You gotta start turning it. Oh, let that joint rip. Let him rip. Them joints fly high. They probably go all the way up by the roof, ain't
Yeah.
Let it go. Let go, Mommy.
Wow.
Speech on.
Good. It's going. Why ain't it flying?
Them joints flying up high. Oh. Baby crying.
Come on.
All right, y'all, I gotta go, baby crying. Just wanted to do a little quick video, know what I mean? The kids out here flying the helicopters, you know what it is, a little bit of family time. I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You already know what it is, King Gilz. Deuces.
Speech off.
Hey, John, bro, hey, John.